Importance of responsibility in achieving success. Do you want to be successful? Of course, you do. But what does it take to achieve success? One key ingredient is responsibility. Responsibility means taking ownership of your actions and decisions. It means accepting the consequences of your choices, whether they lead to success or failure. When you take responsibility, you gain control over your life. You can set goals, make plans, and take action to achieve them. You become proactive, rather than reactive. Instead of waiting for success to come to you, you go out and make it happen. So, if you want to be successful, take responsibility for your life. Don't wait for someone else to make things happen for you. Take responsibility, and the sky's the limit.